Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the world of databases. If you've ever wondered what a database management system or DBMS is, well, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is a DBMS? Simply put, a DBMS is a software that helps you store, retrieve, and manage data in databases. It's like your personal librarian, but for digital info. It ensures that your data is organized, secure, and accessible. Now let's talk about the types of DBMs. There are four main types. 1. Hierarchical DBMs. Think of this as a family tree. Data is organized in a tree-like structure with a single root and multiple levels of child nodes. It's great for applications where relationships between data are well-defined. 2. Network DBMs. This one's a bit more flexible. It allows multiple relationships, making it like a web. So, data can have multiple parent and child nodes, perfect for more complex relationships. 3. Relational DBMs. The most popular one. Data is stored in tables and can be manipulated using SQL. It's user-friendly and highly efficient. Think of it as an Excel sheet, but supercharged. 4. Object-oriented DBMs. This one stores data in objects, similar to the way object-oriented programming languages like Java or C++ work. It's useful when you need to store complex data relationships. All right, now that you know the types, let's move on to the top 5 benefits of using a DBMS. 1. Data integrity and security. A DBMS ensures your data is accurate and consistent. It also provides robust security measures to protect your data from unauthorized access. 2. Reduced data redundancy. With a DBMS, you don't have to worry about storing duplicate data. This saves storage space and ensures that data updates are always consistent. 3. Improved data sharing. A DBMS makes it easy to share data across different applications and users. This is crucial for organizations that need to collaborate on projects. 4. Enhanced data access. You can quickly retrieve and manipulate data using query languages like SQL. This means faster decision-making and more efficient operations. 5. Backup and recovery. A DBMS provides tools for backing up your data and recovering it in case of a failure, so your data is always safe and sound. And that's a wrap. I hope this video helped you understand the basics of DBMs, its types, and the benefits it offers. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.